Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken fried rice. First, let's talk about preparation. Having everything ready before you start cooking is key to a successful stir-fry. Make sure your chicken is already cooked and diced, and your rice is cold and at least 1 day old. Chop all your vegetables uniformly and measure out your sauces. This organized approach will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat. Once hot, add your diced, cooked chicken and stir-fry it until it's nicely browned and heated through. Next, push the chicken to one side of the pan. Crack 2 large eggs into the empty space and quickly scramble them until they are just set. Then, break them into smaller pieces and mix them with the chicken. With the chicken and eggs ready, it's time for the vegetables and rice. Add about 1 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables, like peas, carrots, and corn, to the wok. Stir-fry them for about 2 minutes until they are slightly tender crisp. Then, add 3 cups of cold, day-old rice. It's crucial to use old rice as it prevents stickiness. Break up any clumps and stir everything together well. We're almost done. Now it's time to add the flavor. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. These are essential for that classic fried rice taste. Continue to stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring everything is thoroughly heated and well combined. Finally, garnish your delicious chicken fried rice with fresh chopped green onions and serve it immediately for the best experience. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.